Guys, I've got a lot of homework tonight, so I'm gonna need you guys to do the dishes. No, guys, I mean like actually wash it, like yourselves. Okay, let me explain. You don't need to wash every dish, but it does need to be rinsed so we don't clog up our dishwasher. So start by scraping scraps into the garbage, and then turn on the water by lifting the handle on the spigot to the left. Open the dishwasher, pull out the bottom drawer. Take the sponge or the rag or whatever you're using and just give it a wipe. Doesn't need to be perfect, we just need to get the chunks off. Okay? Okay, put the dish in the dishwasher vertically in between these pegs. Okay? Do the same thing for each kind of dish. Just a quick wipe and into the dishwasher. Silverware goes in here. Forks and spoons go up because they get cleaner that way. Knives go down because they are safer that way. Plates go here. Saucers go here. Bowls go here. If you have anything that is too tall to fit, it's taller than the knives, and it would go in here, set it to the side over here. Okay? The top drawer. If you have any plastic, like bowls, those go up here so we don't melt them. Cups go up here too. When you put bowls and cups in the dishwasher, make sure the open side is down. When you're putting stuff in there, if it's too tall and the spinny thing won't spin, don't put it in there. Leave it out. I'll wash it later. Okay. Do plastic bins go on the bottom? No. Do they go on the top? Yes. Open side down. Make sure that everything has enough space so that the water can get up in between the dishes. Okay? Okay. Keep putting the dishes in until you run out of dishes or until there won't fit anymore in the dishwasher. And then come get me and I'll show you how to start it. Got it?
Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes,
Okay.
Mom.
Hey guys, all ready? Cool. Okay. Push both drawers inside. 1, 2. Okay, scoot close, kids. Make sure that this part can spin and the one up top can spin. Okay? Okay. Now, we get the soap. Do not use this one. This is a different kind of soap that foams up too much and it can cause the dishwasher to overflow. Remember when Will did that? So, not this one. This one, okay? You're gonna find the metal spout, pull it out, Then you're gonna pour about half a cupful. Boop. Close your soap. Put it away. Close your soap cup. Listen for the click. Close the dishwasher. Listen for the click. Okay, here's the buttons. You ready? Normal wash. Push that one. High temperature wash. Push that one. Our water comes out of the ground pretty cold. The heat dry is already turned on. Turn it off. We have melted too many cups. And then push start and listen for the sounds. You're good. You're good. And then dance your awesome self on out of there.